Did you know that over 50% of remote job posting are now available to applicants from around the world? That means that your dream job could be just a click away, no matter where you live. And even if you want to use it as a route to immigrate, you can gain experience, create portfolios that eventually you can use to apply for bigger companies that are willing to sponsor your visa. Let's dive right in to see how we can make this possible. The world is becoming more globalized by the minute, and by that, opportunities for remote work are skyrocketing. Many people are drawn to the ideas of working from anywhere, traveling the world and experiencing new cultures. Who wouldn't want to swap their daily commutes for a beachside coffee shop or a mountainous backdrop? One of the biggest benefits of remote work is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere at any time as long as you have a stable internet connection. That means you can explore new destinations, immerse yourself in local culture, and live life on your own terms. With remote work, the possibilities are endless. You can live in a tropical paradise, explore the world's most vibrant cities, or simply work from the comfort of your own home. Whatever is your dream, the world of remote work can make it a reality. But to enjoy all these benefits, you need to first get a remote job. And when it comes to finding remote jobs abroad, having the right tools and the resources are crucial. First and foremost, you will need a reliable internet connection. This might seem obvious, but it is essential for staying connected with clients, colleagues, and potential employers. Next, you will need a well-crafted resume that aligns your skill, experience, and achievement. This will be your ticket to getting noticed by potential employers. So make sure your CV, your resume are up to date and tailored to your job search goals. Another essential resource is knowledge of the job boards specific to the remote job that you are looking for. In a moment, we will consider 3 of those job boards that you can use, or marketplace as it were, that you can use to start creating portfolios for yourself and earning good money in US dollars. There are plenty of platforms out there that cater specifically for remote job, and knowing which one to use can make all the difference. Having a strong online presence is also vital. This means having a professional LinkedIn profile, a personal website, or a blog. You might not need all of these when you are starting out, and a strong network of connection in your industry. Let's share my screen and then I'll take you to the first website that you can use to first start your remote job at home. The very first website that we will look at is Fiverr.com. You may be wondering, why Fiverr? What are we doing here? Well, with Fiverr, you can get remote jobs. You can be anywhere in the world and advertise for a job that you are given. You can be anything from an SEO expert, a Facebook ad creator. You can teach anything and you want money for that. So let's just briefly go through Fiverr, what you could do, because many people are just hearing it, Fiverr. So what can you do here? Now let's look at graphic and design. So can you create logo designs? Can you brand style? Can you create business cards for people? Can you create a website? What about UX design? Landing page design? Are you good in AI? Can you design avatars for people? Can you create children books? Portraits? Can you do cartoons? Pattern design? Are you good in architecture, writing design, building information model? Well, if you have all these skills, you can use Fiverr for good. Now let's look at the second one, programming and technology. So business websites, e-com website, landing pages, WordPress, Shopify, Wix, GoDaddy, custom websites. And if you scroll to the right, you can see software development, user testing, cybersecurity, DevOps. So practically anything, you can sell it on Fiverr from the comfort of your bedroom. For digital marketing, SEO optimization, local SEO, search engine marketing, social media marketing, paid social marketing, influencer marketing, video marketing, e-commerce marketing. Just look at all the lists. Look at things that you can sell using Fiverr. Even crowdfunding, video animation. You do video editing, visual effects, intros and outros, video template editing, music videos, users generated content. Can you do explainer videos? All of these you can sell on Fiverr. You can start earning in dollars, even from the comfort of your home. What about writing and translating? Oh, can you write a blog, article, content strategy, website content, scripting, cover letters, resume? On YouTube, you see people asking, which format can I use? These formats are easy. You simply go to the search button, click on the CV style you want, create it for that person, send it to him or her, and they pay you money. It's as easy as this. But all of this will start from you creating a Fiverr account so you can start your remote job activity. Even in real estate, you can do that. And guess what? Some people might be asking, how does this move me from wanting to relocate? If you have this experience, you can use it to apply for bigger companies who need your skill. And they will be willing by then, because they see your portfolio, they will be willing to hire you and even sponsor your visa. You can see there is music, there is business, there is finance, AI service, there is personal growth, consulting, and photography. They are all in here. So you can't say, I am not included. Virtually anything you do is here. You can sell it on Fiverr. The next website we'll look at is Upwork. Upwork is the same, like almost as Fiverr, where you also see jobs. You come here with your skills and you advertise it. People get in touch with you. They contact you for what they want to be done. So you can come here and start showcasing your skills, and people will get in touch with you to create designs or anything for them for a fee. The third website we'll consider for the sake of this video is flexjob.com. It's the number one job site to find remote jobs, no ads, no scam, or junks. So all you need to do, if you're starting out and you're saying, oh, how do I start? How can I do that? You can read some of the job search article by clicking here, and you will see 10 high-paying entry-level jobs and how to land them. 15 easy remote work from home job hiring now. So you see different things you can, so that you can start building up that muscles, that mental muscles, to be able to apply for this job. And who knows, if you land this job, sometimes there is what they call cross-posting within the company, and you can be sent to another country to continue your work. It is not a guarantee, but it's just a route. If you're looking for a job, you can click on this and scroll down a little bit, and you see on this side, it said view all new jobs. Click on it, and then as you go, you see you can search by title. So don't get yourself limited by scrolling all through. You can search by title depending on your skill. So for this instance, I'm just scrolling down, and you can see sales development director, DeFi trader, research analysis, graduate algorithmic trader, quant researcher, front-end engineer, and so forth. Just keep scrolling and you will be seeing all these jobs. So you can't say my role is not here. You just need to spend some time here, and you will definitely land yourself eventually if you are persistent, if you are patient, and you're committed to this. It takes time, but it is rewarding. Patience will pay off. Eventually, you landing a job that could eventually send you or relocate you and your family to a dream destination. You just have to start from somewhere. When it comes to searching for a remote job, having a clear strategy is key. First, you need to identify your target companies. That is, companies that you would love to work for. could be Microsoft, it could be Apple. Just look for the company that aligns with your principles. These companies are all there, so many of them. Next, you will utilize one of these job boards, or even those ones that we did not even show here on this video. You can use Google to search for companies online with remote jobs. These platforms are designed to connect remote workers with employers who are looking for top talents, just like Fiverr that we talked about, Upwork we talked about, and FlexJob. Networking is crucial. You will need to attend online events. So you don't need to even travel from your country. Just attend online events, and some of them are free. Join remote workers community online and connect with people in that sphere, that circle. Your environment is key. So if you are looking for a remote job, connect with people who are looking for a remote job also. These will make you narrow your focus to that you are looking for. Another thing you could do that could help is reaching out to people who are already in that field. Granted, not everyone will be willing to talk about it, but how do you know if you don't try? Look for those people in that field, reach out to them, ask them questions about tips and advice to getting a job in the field. As you start building this relationship with companies and people you're interested in, even if they are not currently hiring, it could lead to job opportunities down the line. You can use social media also for your advantage. Go to LinkedIn, follow Google if it is Google, follow Apple if it is Apple, follow Cisco if it is Cisco, follow those companies that are interested, that meets your value. Follow them and stay up to date. Comment, interact with people, especially the recruiters in those companies, so that they see you and they won't feel you as a real human. Eventually, if there is a job opening and you express your interest, chances are they will likely get in touch with you. Then take it up from there. One big thing to do too is to set up job alerts that will notify you when new position becomes available that matches your skill. So you do not need to be on the internet every day looking if there is a job opening. When there is one, if you set a job alert, it quickly notifies you and you apply for that particular role. It is nice to create a spreadsheet to track your job application, including the companies, the job titles, and the dates that you applied to those jobs, so that you do not mistakenly send more than one application to those companies. One thing that is very key is to follow the application instructions very carefully. Some companies will always advise you to apply through their website, while others will give you an email to send directly. If you are given an email, please do not apply through the website. If you are asked to apply through the website, do not send an email. Just follow the instruction as it is stated. A tip that is often neglected is using one CV, one resume, as some could call it, to apply for all jobs. Customize the resume and the cover letter to that specific job that you are applying for, so that your experiences and your skills are aligned in that regard. As with everything in life, discouragement will set in. For some, having sent more than 10, 20, 40 resumes, and they will say there is no response. It can be discouraging. And for others, having sent 5, they have 5 rejection. It is a normal part of this job search process. Instead, use each rejection and no reply as an opportunity to learn and improve your next application. When searching for remote job abroad, you may face all these challenges. And not to forget, it's a very big challenge that some people do not seem to think about. Time zone. The time zones are different. This can be tricky, especially when you are working with teams or clients across different regions. So sometimes you might need to wake up early in the morning to be able to discuss with people, your clients, on the other side of the world. To overcome these challenges, you need to stay organized, you need to be persistent and open-minded, be flexible with your schedule, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. If you are ready to take the leap and start exploring remote job opportunity, we encourage you to try out these strategies discussed in this video. Share your experience in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on remote work and digital nomadism. Stay in the channel and watch the other videos that could help you not only get remote job, but getting job in other countries as you choose to. And I will see you in the next video.